pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, they say, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me. Dumpity dum dum dumpity dum dum. Look at Frosty go. Dumpity dum dum dumpity dum dum. Look at Frosty go. Frosty the Snowman was alive as he could be. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found. For when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Ooh. 好興奮啊！可以聽嗰個。Frosty the Snowman knew the sun was hot that day, so he said, "Let's run and we'll have some fun now before I melt away." Down to the village with a broomstick in his hand, running here and there all around the square, saying, "Catch me if you can." He led them down the streets of town, right to the traffic cop. And when he only paused a moment when he heard him holler, "Stop!" Frosty the Snowman. Dumpity dum dum dumpity dum dum. Look at Frosty go. Dumpity dum dum dumpity dum dum. Look at Frosty go. 好啦，刷牙洗面啦，等嫲嫲唱歌歌你聽下好嘛？
唱歌歌？唱歌嗰份夾膠豬嗰啲哥哥嚟嘅啫喎，嚇，係咪？
唔係喎，唱好開心啊！你同佢唱歌咧，佢嘅嘴喺度係咁喐，隻手喺度係咁喺度喐，好似好想跟住你一齊唱咁樣。